Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to once again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope guys you're all good, you're all fine. So viewers, now in this video I am introducing different beautifully attractive and stylish, amazing and beautifully free crochet pattern ideas. I hope you like my video. Hopefully friends enjoy my video. So guys, today video I am sharing with you different stylish crochet keychain pattern. Hope you like my videos. I hope you like my video, different and demanding and trending stylish ideas friends in this video. Most different trending stylish crochet free pattern ideas is guys in this video. Hope you enjoy my video. Please watching this video at the last. Today I am going to show you a super cute and easy crochet keychain pattern that you can make in just a few minutes. This project is perfect for beginners and make a great gift for a gift or a fun accessory for your key or bag. We will be using simple stitches, so even if you are new to crochet you will be able to follow along. For this project you will need some yarn in your favorite color. A keychain ring, a yarn needle for finishing, and she said that it's just a few simple supplies to make something adorable. Let's start with the magic ring. This will be the base of your keychain. If you are new to the magic ring, don't worry, you will show you can easy trick to make it work perfectly. Now we will crochet single crochet into the ring. Make sure your stitches are even so your keychain turn out neat. Next we will work in round to shape the keychain. For this pattern we will increase decrease as needed to get the perfect size and shape. Remember, you can always customize your keychain, make it bigger, smaller, or even mix colors for a fun effect once the base is ready. It's time for the fun part, adding cute details. You can crochet little eyes, ears, or flowers depending on your design. Use your yarn needle to attach the pieces securely. Take your time because these little details really make your keychain stand out. Finally, we will attach your keychain ring. Simply thread it through the top loop and secure it with a few tight stitches. Make sure it's strong enough to hold your keys. And there you have it, a cute handmade crochet keychain that's ready to go. Is not it adorable? You can make different colors, shapes, or even match them with your friends' favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more project pattern. I hope you like my video. I hope friends you enjoy my video. Different and beautifully stylish free crochet keychain pattern. Hope you enjoy my video. So guys, Simple yet delightful crochet keychain pattern that anyone can make, whether you are beginner or experienced crocheter. These keychains are not just cute, they are compact, lightweight, and incredibly versatile. You can attach them to your keys, backpack, purse, or even use them a decorative zipper pull. What makes this pattern truly special is how customizable it is. You can play with different colors, yarn, texture, or shape to create a keychain that reflects your personality. From tiny animals and flowers to abstract geometric shapes, each keychain and become a unique little accessory that brightens your day. The beauty of this crochet keychain is its durability. Using a sturdy yarn and tight stitches ensures that it will hold up to daily use while staying soft and charming. It's also an excellent project for practice your crochet skill. You will get to work on technique like the magic ring, single crochet, and simple shaping, all while creating something practical and beautiful beyond functionally. These keychains make wonderful gifts for friends, family, or even as a cute handmade item for sale. They are thoughtful, affordable, and can easily be personalized, making them a heartfelt little present for any event. By the end of I have your own handmade keychain that's not only eye-catching but also fun. Quick and easy, so grab your yarn, hook, and creativity and let's get started on making a keychain that's as charming as it is practical. So hope you enjoy my video. I hope you really like my video, most different stylish ideas in this video. So guys, these keychains are not only fun to create but also practical and versatile. They are lightweight, durable, and small, carry anywhere, making them perfect for key, bag, or even as zipper charm. So hopefully you like my video. I hope you enjoy my video. Most demanding and friends, most stylish, amazing ideas is in this video. Imagine gifting a handmade keychain to a friend or family member. It's not just a cute accessory, it's a token of love and care. The durability of this keychain is one of its best qualities. Using soft but strong yarn ensure it will last through daily use while maintaining its shape and charm. You can make multiple keychains in different colors or design, creating a mini collection or even selling them as cute handmade items. By the end of this video, you will have a finished keychain that's not only eye-catching but also full of personality. So grab your yarn, hook, and creativity and let's start crocheting a keychain that's as practical as it is adorable. So handmade crochet keychain that's ready is not adorable. You can make different looks, color, shape, or even match them with your friend's favorite. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video at the last. I hope you really like my video. Hope you enjoy my video. Finally, we will attach your keychain ring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet videos.